chain cleaner here. If you're like me and you got several bikes, I have this e-bike here. This is the TST Defender e-bike, and I have a kit. I just did a ride last night that got it kind of muddy, so I used my pressure washer to clean it up, and then I have this kind of kit right here. But one thing this kit is missing is a chain cleaner, so I don't have a way of cleaning my chain properly. So what I did, I picked up one of these Cyclone chain cleaners, and you can see how this thing works. Actually, let me just take it out of the package here. So what you want to do, this can also work on motorcycles. I've got an e-bike here, and you can see how all the buildup on the chain is here. Let's use this and see how this thing works. So we're going to take the chain cleaner right here. I'm just going to put it on, and then I'm going to put the pedals in reverse. And check that out. That's cleaning the chain as I'm going. You can see right there, look at all that gunk already built up. Now this side, I can clean the sprockets out, so the cog set in the back, I can clean that all out. So also the sprocket in the front, I can clean all that out. But this is the main use for this, is putting it on like this and just going backwards. There you go. That works great. This is something I recommend for everybody to have, is some sort of chain cleaner, especially after every ride where you get a lot of gunk and mud down inside there. You got to be careful, because if one little rock gets caught in there, you can break one of these cogs back here in the back and chip it off. So I try to use this every time. You don't have to turn it. You could just do it like this if you want, and then turn it. And the thing feels indestructible. This thing feels like a beast. It feels indestructible. So yeah, everybody, that's all I got on the chain cleaner here. Check this thing out. This thing is handy.